Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is 11th of January and yesterday was 10th of January and my mother's birthday. Now time is around 11 o'clock and you can see the weather here. The weather here right now at 11 o'clock, it's so cold here. And yeah, that's my lovely tripod. Yeah, now coming back to topic, every year on our parents' birthday, our parents donate something to a charity and all. So yeah, stay tuned and see how we spend our day yesterday. We started off the day by praying to the Almighty for a good and healthy life in our home, and later on we also visited a temple.
Please wait.
Yeah, now coming to the charity part. So in our locality we have a government kitchen called Indra Kitchen. So its main motive is to provide food for the poor people at a limited cost. So our idea was to feed 200 people, but due to some strikes and all yesterday it was closed. So we could not continue with that idea. See, even though that idea got cancelled, we did not wanted to cancel the program. So we thought of ordering 20 food packets and distribute to the poor people nearby. Because it was a sudden initiative, we could come up with that much only. So after the food was cooked, we started distributing it to the poor people. So each packet contains 6 chapatis and 2 curries, which is more than sufficient for one person. So basically speaking, some people will have this intention that if they're donating, why to show us in the camera. So I would like to speak some points. See, the first thing is that now my videos easily get 200 to 300 views. So from this 200 to 300, even if one person got motivated and started to think that, ki, ha bhai, when I get my money, I must also start donating. It makes me happy. Then that's a win-win situation, right? The second thing is that while we are donating, we will be very busy in distributing, so we can't actually see the happy faces. But later on when we see the video, we can actually see how happy their faces look. Because I was also distributing, I could not capture most of the happy faces, but if you see closely in some of the videos, you can see their actual faces when they get a packet of food. Now coming to the third and most important point, see, according to Hindu mythology, there is a saying that ki if you give something out of your heart, in some or other way it will come back to you only. And I am the one who has had many experiences in this case. So the point I was trying to say is that share your happiness with whatever little bit you have left. And I would like to say one story now. So yesterday while I was donating, I saw two beggars, and one person came and gave one beggar four chapatis. So his packet got completed there. So that second person did not get anything. So seeing this, that beggar gave two chapatis to that other beggar, and see, so even though he was hungry and he was starving, still he thought of sharing it. So I believe that every person in our life come to teach us a point. So that was his point, and today I am sharing it with you guys. So even if you have a little, try to share with others. Later on, I gave them two food packets separately, and that happiness in that face, that was the best thing I have seen in 2021. So there is no harm if you are recording while you are donating or giving something to the needy people. It's not only for show off. Now humans are not only the ones who need help. So we also visited a Goshala in our locality and donated food for them too. So this was my first time of visiting a Goshala, and I really liked how good they have organized the animals, like that ki mother and child on one side, male other side, and that pregnant mothers on the other side. So overall it was a fun day yesterday, and after coming back to home we gave mommy our gift, and after that we had a little function, so could not shoot more. Yeah, that was pretty much our yesterday's day. Hope you all liked it.
Happy birthday to you.
Even though her birthday was yesterday, it would really be appreciated if you people could wish her in the comment section. She would really be happy to see all that. Yeah, until we meet next time, stay tuned, stay happy, enjoy the day. Tata. Peace out.
हर घड़ी बदल